Adding your Revolut card to Google Pay allows you to make contactless payments using your Android device. Here's how to do it. Install Google Pay. If you haven't already, download and install the Google Pay app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Ensure the app is up to date. Open Google Pay. Launch the Google Pay app on your device. Add payment method. Tap on the plus sign or payment icon to add a new payment method. Choose Revolut. Select the option to add a debit or credit card, then choose Revolut from the list of supported banks and card issuers. Enter card details. Enter the card details for your Revolut card, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address associated with the card. Verify card. Google Pay may prompt you to verify the card by sending a verification code via SMS or email. Enter the code to confirm. Accept terms. Review and accept the terms and conditions for adding your Revolut card to Google Pay. Set as default. If desired, set your Revolut card as the default payment method for Google Pay transactions.